Hi boys and girls, welcome back to Mathematics Grade 4. And today's lesson is about calculation of volume and capacity. Now what is very important with calculation of volume and capacity is to make sure what are they asking you. For instance here they say, calculate the following, write the answers in litre. So they want the answer in litre. When you calculate units with each other, you have to make sure the units are the same. So for instance, we work with kilogram and gram. Both have to be kilogram or grams. But now we're working with volume and capacity. So you have to make sure both are milliliters or liter. So let's start. Remember, this is very, very important. Don't forget about that. This will be an easy one. Both units are in milliliters. So now I just have to go and say 9,450 milliliters plus 450 milliliters will be 9,900 milliliters. But they're asking the answer in liter. And know that cool trick. When we divide by 1,000, we move the comma 1, 2, 3 times. So the answer will be 9,9 liters. Here I have liter again, milliliters again. So that will also be an easy calculation. So 220 milliliters plus 780 milliliters will give me 1,000 milliliters. So after you studied so hard, you know that 1,000 milliliters will be equal to 1 liter. Now, number C's got a problem. Can you see what is the problem with that calculation? Yes, we do not have the same units. Here I have liter and here I have milliliters. So I have to convert. After studying hard, you know that half a liter will be equal to 500 milliliters. And 2 liter will be equal to 2,000 milliliters. So that will give me 2,500 milliliters minus 350 milliliter now. And now I can go and do my calculation because the units are the same. And I can go and say 2,500 milliliters minus 350 milliliter. And that will give me, there we go, 2,150 milliliter. But I have my comma at the back. And now I can move it 1, 2, 3 times. So my answer will be 2,15 liter. Always check your answer again and make sure you did what they asked from you. And here I can see all my answers is written as liter. Now the next one, they are asking you, write the answer in milliliters and liter. Can you see I've got a problem with A? Yes, I've got liters here and here I have milliliter. Now that I see I have 4,120 milliliter, it will be easy to make the liters as 8. And now I can go to milliliters. So that will be 8,000 milliliters plus 4,120 milliliters. And that's an easy calculation. I don't even have to do it underneath each other. That answer will be 12,120 milliliters. But now they want the answer as liters and milliliters. Now when I move the comma, I know everything behind it will be my milliliters and everything on the left hand side will be my liters. So when I move my comma 1, 2, 3, there's the comma. So this will be my liters. How do I write the answer? As 12 liters and 120 milliliters. Make sure what they are asking you. Here I have 8,220 milliliters minus 4 liters. Again, my units are different, so I have to convert one of the units. And now I will change the 4 liters to 4,000 liters, and that will also be easy. And that's where mental maths come in, boys and girls. 8,000 minus 4,000. So this will be 4,220 milliliters. But I want my answer in milliliters and liter. And then I go 1, 2, 3. So the answer will be 4 liters and 220 milliliters. Again, we know half a liter equals to 500 milliliters. So the 2 liter will be 2,000 milliliters. So here I have 2,500 milliliters plus 350 milliliters. And the answer will be 2,850 milliliters. And now I have to write it as liter and milliliters. And when you get used to the whole rhythm of my comma changing or moving to the left or the right hand side, you will immediately know that is my milliliters. So this will be 2 liters and 850 milliliters. So boys and girls, study hard, know your units, know how to convert, and this will be easy peasy for you. Have fun with this and goodbye.